Letter P. Letter P sounds like P, P. We've got uppercase P that stands on the ground. And then we have lowercase p. He likes to hang in the water, just like he's dangling his feet. They look the same, don't they? They sure do. Letter P for Pee-wee Penguin. Pa, pa, pa. Things that start with P. We have pa, pa. Pan. Pa, pa. Pen. Pa, pa. Pillow. Pa, pa. Playground. Pa, pa. Pocket. Pa, pa. Pen. Oh, that's not a pen. What is that? Pig. I need to pay attention. Pa, pa. Puzzle. Pa, pa. Pail. All right, they all started with pa, pa, didn't they? Now, how do you write a P? They look the same, but one stands on the ground and one pops in the water. So today, I have a top line, a middle, and a bottom line so we can see it properly. Uppercase P is going to be tall. If you know somebody named Peter, Priscilla, they would start with an uppercase P. So they need to be from the top, and this part goes round just to the middle. I will do it again. Start at the top, go all the way down and stand on the ground. This one doesn't go way down there. Make sure you stop. Go back up here and around. Now let's look at lowercase p. It's different. It cannot be tall. It's going to start in the middle. It's going to pop right through into the water, but icy water is too cold. He's going to pop right back up on the same line and wrap up. Would you want to jump into icy water? Probably not. You might get right back out. So you're going to start in the middle and you're going to go pop in the water and pop back up. Wrap yourself up and get warm. P, uppercase P stands on the ground, lowercase p pops in the water. Now, today we have a game. Look behind me. I have a smiley face if you hear p, p at the beginning. And we've got no, it does not start with a P. So if you hear it start with P, we're gonna go like this with a smiley face. If it does not start with p, 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 we're gonna go eh. All right, here's our first picture. What is it? Pig. Is your mouth saying p, p? Pig? Is that a yes or a no? Where should it go? Is it happy? Does it start with p, 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 pig? We're gonna put it over here. Did you get it right? All right, let's do another one. This is a plant. Does plant start with p, p? Yes or no? Plant. Did you say yes? If you did, you got it right. Okay, I'm gonna try to trick you. What is this? Socks. When you say socks, is your mouth saying p, p with puffs of air? Socks. Yes or no? Socks. I hope you said no. Socks does not start with a P. Here's a cute one. Puppy. When you say puppy, is your mouth saying p, puppy? It is. Okay, I've got another one. We have turtle. Turtle. Do you hear p? Does your mouth say p? Let's listen again. turtle. Turtle. Yeah? Or no? No. All right, here's another one. This is the color. The color is purple. Is your mouth saying p when you say purple? Yes or no? Purple. Yes. We have one more. Mouse. When you say mouse, does your mouth say p? Mouse. Yeah? Pouse? Is it a pouse or a mouse? So no, it did not start with a P. It started with Which one had more? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that did start with a P. 1, 2, 3 of them started with not a P. Which one was more? The yeses or the no's? Which one wins? The smiley face. All right, you did a good job. We will see you in the next letter.